What's up? I'm Brandon from here at Protouring Texas. Today we're doing some wiring on a Squarebody here. It's got a supercharged LT4 in it, 10-speed. Let me show you what I've got done so far. So far, this is our front harness for our lights. Supercharger's gonna have its own pump, a cooling pump for it. This is gonna have everything. Everything is already ran through here. It's got your headlights, high beam, low beam, your power sources for your pump. Everything in here is already loomed. Always loom it, and always use good heat shrink too. Use the heat shrink with the glue on it. Keeps all the moisture out of your wires, all your connections. This one, full custom, we did all the way through the fender, out the kick panel and through the fender, so you won't see any wires at all. This is our Detroit Speed wiper motor here. What we did is we put a hole in the firewall back behind the bracket here. We just tucked it up under there, ran it through the cowl here, ran it through the kick panel. You don't see any of that. So this right here is all of our wiring that's going to go back to the back of the truck. This is also all loomed. Anything outside the truck, most of the time you want to have it loomed. Just keeps all the gunk off of it and keeps you from having any further issues later on down the road. Let me show you where we hit our computers. We hit them up here underneath the dash, out of the way. A lot of people like to mount them under the seats. I'd rather keep it out from underneath the carpet, out from getting stepped on or anything like that. So we mount them up underneath here. It's kind of hard to see, but if you can look right up under here, one of our guys has built a pretty amazing bracket for these. It's got the trans controller on it, the body module, and then your computer. It's got everything right there. This is our engine harness. It goes to the firewall back here behind the AC box. It's high and tight up underneath there. Nice tied up where you won't see or hear any of it when you're going down the road. No worries about it getting stepped on or anything like that. No room for failure doing it this way. So this is basically our harness for our fans 1 and 2. We trim everything up, put it all nice and neat. And a bolt on, you can put it on a plate, bolt it wherever you want. These guys will go out to fan 1 and fan 2. These are your power sources. This guy here will be your battery power for your relays, and they each have their own fuse as well. And this guy right here you'll tie in to your trigger wire for your fans off of mostly your ECU and computers. Most aftermarkets will have their own fan. So you'll just tap that into that, 12 volt source into that, these two into your fans, and that's it.
What's up guys, my name's Eric. I'm the pool boy at Protouring Texas, and it's heating up this summer. It's muy caliente, and if you're suffering from not having a modern classic, call us today, 817-832-FAST.